Alrighty, so welcome back, boys and girls. All right, so our second question was the tree had 15 apples on it. 9 apples were ate. How many apples are left? So hold on. I'm thinking about it. And I said the tree had 15 apples. 15 apples. And then 9 apples were ate. Oh my goodness, 8. That means 8. When somebody eats, that means that it was taken away. So that means, hold on, this is a subtraction problem. So I'm start with my low number, and my low number is 9. So I'm gonna put 9 in my head, and then I'm gonna count up. So I'm gonna count up, but the number that I need to count up to, you guessed it, is 15, because the tree had 15 on it. So I'm gonna go with 9, and then I'm gonna say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness. So that means there were 6 apples that are left. Okay? Now, like I said before in the other video, there are many ways to solve it. Number one, we're going to look at it pictorially, meaning that we're going to draw pictures. So come on around and let's take a look at it and see how we're going to do this. So number one, we have to capture. We have the tree, and this tree has 15 apples. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw a tree. Don't worry, don't laugh at my tree. But we got 15 apples. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have a total of 15 apples that are on the tree. Then they said, hold on, 9 apples were ate. So you guessed it, we're going to take away 9. We're going to cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 apples were ate. Let's see how many's remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guessed it. That number 6. Number 6. 6 is remaining. So again, 15 apples on it. 9 apples were taken away. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. One thing that I forgot to do is I forgot to write our problem down. So don't hold that against me. So 15, which I wrote the number 15, and then I have this number right here, 9. Now, we already know that it's going to be subtraction because we're taking away 9. And so therefore my answer is 6. Another way that we can do it, you guessed it, it is concrete, using concrete materials. And guess what? I have my pennies over here that we're going to use it. So I'm going to bring up 15 pennies. So we're going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, and to finish it off, 15. But you never take my word for it. We always count, right? We double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? We know how to count by 5s. We might not know how to count by 3s yet, but we know how to count by 5s. So guess what? They're in rows of 5, and each of these rows are equal. If you notice, they're all lined up together. So by us knowing that, we can go ahead and that'll make it a lot easier when we count 5, 10, 15. Guess what? We just verified. But even if your math is not strong in counting, then you know what? Count it individually. It's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's many ways that we can count it. We can also do by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Guess what? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that we have 15 apples. These pennies represent 15 apples. And guess what? 9 of them were taken away. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see if we have it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You guessed it. 6 were left. Like I said, there are many ways that we can solve problems. One of them is that we can take it, we can do the count on. We can also draw it out. Remember, we always draw it out. And then number 3, we can use concrete materials just to shore it up. That's all today. I'll get back with you later on for your math problems. Thank you.